Hey, want to make a lot of money this year? Then I think you should try what I did. Now this is maize. I just buried the seed into the ground. A couple of weeks later, they've already got into this stage. And in a couple of weeks' time, I'll be harvesting and selling. Quick money. Welcome to the snail house. Very good meat. Very expensive. Highly nutritious. Here is one interesting fact about these snails. I started this place with only about 100 snails. But now I have close to 10,000 snails. Now, you'll be wondering if I went to the market to buy more snails. No, I didn't. All I just need to do is to create a favorable environment for them. You can see the vegetation here. It's very favorable for them to grow. And how they got to over 10,000 snails was because of they are hermaphrodites. In other words, they have the male and female sex organ in them, two in one. In other words, I don't even need to even bother about going to get a male snail, get a female snail so that they can reproduce. No, 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 I don't do any of that. They just reproduce by themselves. And the eggs are massive. They hatch very fast. And then they grow very fast as well. And I don't even need to feed them. Their food is here, it's natural. So very soon I'll be harvesting, selling them money. Now let me ask you this. What is jollof rice without tomatoes? See, everyone loves jollof rice. But again, you can't make jollof rice without tomato. And now, as easy to produce as these things are, yes, it's very expensive in the market. All you just need to do is to get your seedlings, plant them, and then you allow the rain to do the watering for you. Under 90 days, you'll be getting close to this and then harvesting up to the market. Easy.